Do you ever find yourself struggling to express your thoughts effectively? In today's fast-paced world, effective communication skills have become crucial for personal and professional success. By honing these communication skills, individuals can enhance their ability to convey ideas effectively, build stronger relationships, and navigate various social and professional situations with success. Effective communication skills are essential in various aspects of life, including personal relationships, professional settings, and social interactions. Moreover, effective communication skills empower you to confidently express your ideas, advocate for yourself, and present persuasive arguments. To communicate effectively, it's essential to hone your verbal and nonverbal communication skills while staying mindful of your audience's needs and preferences. But effective communication skills go beyond the act of speaking. They also involve active listening, empathy, and emotional intelligence. By developing these skills, you can create stronger interpersonal connections and foster understanding in your relationships, both personal and professional. Effective communication skills involve more than just knowing the right words to say. They encompass a range of techniques to convey your thoughts, ideas, and emotions clearly and meaningfully. Here are key components of effective communication. Clarity. Express your ideas in a clear and concise manner. Use straightforward language and avoid unnecessary jargon. Active listening. Pay full attention to the speaker. Avoid interrupting and allow the speaker to finish before responding. Nonverbal communication. Be aware of your body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Maintain eye contact to show engagement and interest. Empathy. Try to understand the feelings and perspectives of others. Show that you care about their concerns. Feedback. Provide constructive feedback. Use a positive and respectful tone. Open-mindedness. Be open to different perspectives and ideas. Avoid making assumptions or passing judgment prematurely. Confidence. Speak with confidence and assertiveness. Use a steady tone of voice and maintain good posture. Conciseness. Avoid unnecessary details and tangents. Get to the point without sacrificing clarity. Respect. Treat others with respect, regardless of differences in opinions or backgrounds. Be aware of the impact your words may have on others. Adaptability. Be willing to adapt your communication style to different situations and individuals. Recognize and respond to the needs and preferences of your audience. Negotiation and conflict resolution. Develop skills in resolving conflicts and negotiating solutions. Focus on finding common ground and mutually beneficial outcomes. Now that you're equipped with these powerful tools, it's time to put them into practice in various areas of your life. By incorporating these elements into your communication style, you can enhance your ability to convey ideas effectively, build stronger relationships, and navigate various social and professional situations successfully. In personal relationships, effective communication skills strengthen emotional bonds, resolve conflicts, and cultivate mutual respect. In the professional realm, mastering effective communication skills enhances teamwork, leadership, and negotiation abilities. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you have now gained valuable insights into the world of effective communication skills. Remember, communication is the key to understanding, empathy, and growth. Start applying these techniques today and unlock a world of endless possibilities through effective communication. If you have liked our presentation, then please subscribe to our channel and share it. This will encourage us to bring out many new videos on various aspects of human behavior and personality development. Thank you.